Y'all see what's going on? It's your boy Jock City, Michigan Street Soldiers. It's a whole hell of a lot of copyright out here. But we out here at Primetime Zay car show, Muskegon, Michigan. Show you what's going on out here. A lot of copyright out here. Got it. Big boy shit. That's what they do. Young fella about to blow that motherfucker down there. They definitely down here. I'm gonna keep it rolling. Show y'all what's going on. He teamed up with the Chevy dealership to do his thing. Shout out to the Bed and Baker Chevy lot. Feel me? Shout out Bed and Baker. They got it both sides of the street. Honda lot. This is a clean ass money though. I ain't even gonna lie. On some original shit, 76. That bitch clean as hell. Look, even got the old white people out here, man. What? They riding too. Miss Cheryl, we out here. I should have pulled my shit down here. I need me a white Camaro, man. I'm thinking about getting a white 5th gen. I'm telling you. Oh, it's for sale. They taxing. What is this? It's an SS. What year is this? Oh, 23. Oh no. Okay. Let me know something then. 23. My boy in the Beamer coming through. We just gonna keep the footage rolling. I like how they got it blocked off. Ooh, that electric Hummer on y'all ass. See now. Forget the wind noise. It's windy as hell. They still doing donuts up here. They robbed all the Grand Rapids people on the donuts. Burnouts. See what she doing. Crazy. Don't hit me, bro. Oh. I thought you was about to get crazy out while I'm out here. I see CeeLo. He down here. Got the oldie. This bitch big as hell. Y'all see him? A little more power. CeeLo in the back. Keep the camera rolling. crazy up there. Got Zay over there. Got the OGs. Swole 55. Old school Buick shit. Ooh. Clean Buick. SS's is everywhere. Up here.
With our bike awards. So somebody can come over here. Hey Josh, can you come over here for a second? Help me with the trophies. So for bike award, we got Best Harley is number 2, Best Theme is number 2, and the People's Choice was number 2, and Best in Show was number 2. So yeah, you guys went all of them, with the exception of the Most Unique was number 1. So you guys went, there's a bunch of them. So number 2 won Best Harley.
Clean Cutlass right here, 442. Clean.
What kind of truck is it?
Big boys on there. See, gang about to get up out of here. All right. Yup. I'm about to get up out of here in about 20 minutes. I'm about to go get this footage, then I'm out of here. Yeah. Got that electric caddy. Ooh, everything going electric. Y'all have to see this grill. I like these stickers don't go crazy shit. Subscribe to my boy. Well, subscribe to my boy and follow my boy. You feel me? GoPro'd up, he going crazy. I know this gang up here still going crazy. They going crazy. Zay got his old whips up here. Or his old whip. I think somebody else bought it. Zay charging up right now. Hell yeah. He went crazy. Hang back here. The SS back there.
I don't kill it when I ride it. I ride it for the grip. I'm used to riding 2-strokes and shit like that. I ride it, I got CR 125.
Low about to spin that bit. Let me go grab my shit. Baby, baby, park it right here. I'm parking that sun. It's already too damn hot.
I thought she was about to go out there.
We in Muskegon. Muskegon with it. See the gang we all pulled up. Some of the Muskegon cars right here. Oh, they out here. Nice little T-type right there. Know that bitch running. Got that copyright down here heavy. You know what I'm saying? I might not come down here too much, too far. Big. Ooh. Clay. I like that. I can't front. Ooh. Put the Young Dolph shit on there. That's nasty, I can't front. They got some shit down there too, but I'm gonna wait till that copyright die down before I go down there. Tap back in with y'all in a minute. Going on. I think I'm about to hit the highway, man, get back to the city. You know the fight tonight, so we got to see that. Car show kind of winding down. It was really a burnout show for real. There's a few cars down there, but we about to check out, man. Show y'all a few more whips before we get up out of here. Jock City. You ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Putting rims on everything. They got the rims on the Ford Fusion, my boy. We still out here in Muskegon. They out here.
That's all I got, man. All right, Jack.
Yes, sir. I think I'm about to ride out this motherfucker too. Ooh, that bitch clean. Got that wash. That bitch clean. Most wanted out here. That copyright coming in. Yes, sir. Yeah. About to get the fuck up out of here. They got it on lockdown here. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. I'm gonna pull down there and get my shit and then follow y'all on the way out. They gonna pull over up there for me and shit. I'm gonna pull up there, grab my trophy on the way out. Yeah. Might go watch it with Low. He said at his crib, but I'm like, shit, which crib, nigga? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. You ain't pulling it up at the shop?